Hello, class. This is the three methods that I found after reading 10 Ways to Overcome Barriers to Student Engagement Online by Ali Briggs. So here are the top three methods that I found. Number one, establish contact methods. Number two, provide effective and timely feedback. Number three, use a variety of multimedia and modalities. So the first method, establish contact methods. I said give students the best form of contact in specific times when to call, whether that's emailing, phone, call, or text. Give students a head when you would not be available, such as vacations, meetings, etc. And lastly, I have create online office hours where students have scheduled times to speak to their teacher. The establishing the contact methods can help in a huge way because it can bring that type of formality that we did have once we weren't when we were face to face in a classroom environment. Physical contact where we can visibly see and speak to the person. Secondly, provide effective and timely feedback. I said communication through discussion boards, similar to what we do in our EDT 10 and other UMGC online courses to keep conversations flowing. Students can have the comfort and luxury of knowing exactly where they stand in their classes. From a personal standpoint, one of the worst fears that I had about uh, going for my online degree was keeping up and staying on track with what I needed to have, and knowing where I stood, and if I needed if I had a question about what needed to be done, I could go right in and find it. So it's about communication when it's online because it's really needed, man. Students have to have that reassurance from their teacher to know that they're doing what they're supposed to be doing. Lastly, I said use a variety of multimedia and modalities. Each student is a different learner. There are students who learn best by listening, and there are some who prefer to see physical examples. For example, replacing text with video examples could fit the needs of a student who receives their best learning experience by visibly seeing what needs to be done. Back to another personal point. I'm the type to I have to see what you're talking about to really understand it. I always I always needed a clear picture of what needed to be done because it just helped me understand it more. And there are students who learn best that way. That's how they get their best learning experience. So myself as an educator, I try my best to give students all the different type of ways to create their best learning experience. And here are my references, and that's it. Thank you.